Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Today I'm making a video on a new product release from Soundskins. We now have the full fairing kits for your 2023.5 and newer CVO or those 24 and up Streetglide or Roadglide base model bikes. Check out the rest of the videos. I go in detail about this new product and how it makes an already amazing sounding Volunteer audio system sound even better. All right, so I pulled the fairing off both of our new bikes. This is a 2023.5 CVO. This is a 24 Harley Davidson Roadglide base model. This is the Streetglide version of the CVO. The inner fairings are the same, the inside workings and the speaker pods on whether it be the base model bike or those CVO models. Now, I've pulled the fairings off to show you the new Soundskins sound deadening kits. We're proud at Volunteer Audio to be the only authorized online retailer for Soundskins motorcycle kits. And they are the best at making pre-cut, easy to install sound deadening kits for your motorcycle. It's really a good thing because this is the most intricate, the most complex pre-cut system I've seen for any of the Harleys. And it's because these pods are so much different than the previous years. When you order a kit from Volunteer Audio for Soundskins, you're going to get every piece it takes to wrap these front speaker pods pre-cut in the correct shape. And all you're going to have to do is peel the backing, clean the pod, and stick it to the pod. Now, I'll tell you, this makes a big difference in your mid-bass response. Your speakers are going to sound more full and more enjoyable to listen to because it takes this thinner plastic pod and it really makes it a much better speaker enclosure. On top of that, I've already test fit these. The fairing goes on and off just as easy as it did originally. It's not too thick. It doesn't hold things out. Everything goes right back on like you would expect it to. And you have these little factory squares that Harley would have had in place, and you got a couple on here, but now the whole pod is wrapped. Now, you'll do this while you have your speaker pod uninstalled, while you're upgrading your speakers. And we'll offer this in all of our Volunteer Audio A to B speaker packages for these new bikes. That's going to include your Hertz 1000-watt amp, your Siren HD Volunteer Audio A to B module, and your speakers. And during that install, you're going to want to put these on because you're going to get a better, more full tone out of your front speakers. Our system already sounded amazing, but I'll tell you, this adds a lot of depth to the sound of your speakers. And it's pre-cut around things like the factory antenna, so we don't cause any FM interference. We've made this very, very easy. And coming soon, we'll have some step-by-step videos. We'll start probably with the Roadglide because I have one to do in just a couple days. I'll do a step-by-step install video with that. I'll share it with you, and you'll see just how easy it is. These kits are both currently available at volunteeraudio.com. You can find them in the Soundskins section if you just want to buy these parts to add to your bike, or you can find it as an option now in all of our complete plug-and-play solutions that use our premium A to B option where we remove that factory amplifier. Soundskins is awesome. They've done it again. They very quickly built a very, very complex, very difficult kit. And Dalton, you did a great job because it's actually one of the easiest to install of any of them that we've done up to this point. So guys at Soundskins, hats off. You did a wonderful job. You guys, when you go to put it on, you're going to see this is not something you want to buy a bulk mat and try to cut to fit. It would just drive you crazy trying to get all these different crevices, all these different shapes. And you'll see that in detail with our upcoming step-by-step videos. Thank you for watching Volunteer Audio. Subscribe to YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. We're going to show you the latest parts in audio and accessories for your Harley as they come out. And we'll also make those great step-by-step videos showing you how to install it so you can decide if it's something you can do yourself. If you ever find it's something that's outside of the realm of what you want to do, we'd love to have you come in, visit us at Volunteer Audio. We'll set an appointment. We'll do the installation for you. But I think you'll find with our videos, most of you can do this on your own, and you'll have that enjoyment of finishing this install, and you'll get to see that on your own without having to pay all that money out for labor. Well, thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions or comments about it. A lot of you have bought these for your previous body style bikes, and we do have these available from 1998 all the way up to the most current Harley Davidson True models right now at volunteeraudio.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, God bless.